All right, my name is Asad Yaqub, and we're going to start with your IELTS speaking test. Let's take a start. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. How well do you know the people who live next door to you?
Well, I know very much about my neighbors, and oftenly I meet them on a regular basis.
All right, how often do you see each other?
Well, like I told you before that the neighbor next to me, we meet on a regular basis, but often we met together in the park, and often we played cricket on weekends.
What kind of relationship do you have with your neighbors?
Well, specifically as a neighbor, we take each other, and on the regular basis, we talk to each other and discuss on our various topics about the current situations of the country.
All right, please pull up the mask. Have you ever had a problem with a neighbor?
Well, I have nothing have a problem with my neighbors. Often they are very honest and very lovely people, so we cooperate each other on a daily basis.
All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. This is your topic, and the topic is describe a person you know who is kind. You have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. Okay, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, it is my friend, and we know each other about 7 years. And I talk to him on in every topic with him. And we met in basically we are very old friend. And since when I was a child, we are in the same class. So I know him very well. And as we talk about his personality, I think he is very generous and lovely person. And whenever I had a bad day, so he always called me and give me advice to how to manage the problem and how to solve the problem in life. So on another hand, he is very intelligent and cooperative in every life. So I think. Last but not least, I think he is always with me in every situation and whatever occasion. So we are. Yes.
All right, thank you very much. Can I get the topic back, please? We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. What types of relationships, other than with friends or family, are important in people's lives?
I think like in friends, parents, and sorry, sir. Can you repeat the question?
Do you think it is important for people to spend time alone?
Yes, I think it is. Isolation is very important. If you have a lonely type, you can understand very well, and you have more answers about your life and current situation. So I think it is very important.
What is the attitude towards marriage in your country?
I think it is people often here go easy with marriage, and they don't think that it is a very big responsibility on their shoulders. So mostly people are take it very easily. So even they don't know that it is a big responsibility.
How have attitudes towards marriage changed in the last 50 years?
I think in the past, most of the marriage are very go easily. The people often get married in their relatives, but now they are people become more modern, and they think that if after when a person get mature, they are more intelligent and they have choice to choose the marriage.
All right, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. Overall, it's good, but actually, you've got grammatical mistakes, first thing, and these mistakes are related to subject verb agreement in present simple tense. Not only this, you are mixing some tenses as well. For example, when you use the word since, with since and for, we use present perfect continuous, but you're simply using present tense with that, right? And then in part 3, you are lacking content in your answers. You misunderstood one question also, but that doesn't matter.
Yes,
You
sir.
asked me to repeat the question. If you ask examiner to repeat the question, either they repeat the question or they ask you another question,
Okay.
which is not negative. That's
Okay.
perfectly fine, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
you should have some knowledge about the questions in speaking part 3. Looking at your overall performance, I'll give you 6 men.
Okay.
Thank you.